Everyone asks Ranbir what's it like working with his girlfriend Deepika in Bachna Hai Hasino. I want to ask you, what was it like working with Neetu ji in Do Duni Char after all these years? I mean, did she get into it? You've been doing it for, you're not rusty now. You've been doing it for some time
more
now.
than anything else, I was nervous that would she be able to, take it off. And she was also very nervous because she hadn't faced the camera for 30 years nearly. And but then, I always know one thing. I always remind myself that once you know how to ride a bicycle, you never forget it, even if you haven't ridden it for a while.
Right.
So it just took probably a day or so to Neetu to adjust to the film. Of course, she had a little problem about memorizing lines. She couldn't remember them. But then, once you're in it, you're in it.
You're in it, sure. I read somewhere Neetu ji is in charge of monitoring your diet and Ranbir's as well.
Excuse me, let this not go ahead. It's bad news here. I want to lose weight. How do I lose weight? I want to lose weight now.
Do you cheat sometimes?
I only cheat. No, see, I will lose weight now for a reason. And when that reason is translated into a good role for a film, then I'll take it up.
I know you don't sit and chat with Ranbir about acting and you don't talk to him really about work.
We don't talk work at all. We don't bring home work,
Sure. But, what about how to handle scandals?
This is part and parcel of your scheme of being an actor.
Sure. So
I only look after Ranbir's monetary affairs.
Okay.
That's all. I don't do anything else. I don't know what film he works in, whose film he's going to be working in, whose subject he's reading.
But, if you're waking up in the morning and reading that Ranbir's got friendly to
Well,
Katrina
why not?
and Deepika's...
He's young. No, he should be dating girls. He is dating girls, I'm told. And he's on his own. Why shouldn't he have fun? At his age, I was having great fun. He should also have fun.
Okay. You just did Love Aajkal with Deepika. Was it an interesting experience?
The film?
Working with her?
Well, we had just, we didn't have much of a part to play. But yes, of course, the first scene of the film of mine is with them. I can't, talk much about the film because it's under wraps right now, so I can't tell you. But yes, I had great fun working with that film also.
Okay. Before we go into break, another trick question. Which of Ranbir's heroines is your favorite?
Wow, how many has he worked in?
Yeah, that's true. But he's doing a few.
Well, I don't know. He's got to now still...
Okay, out of Deepika and Katrina, who do you like more? And you worked with
I
both.
worked with Katrina more. So, she'll always be a favorite. And she was very dear to me in Namaste London.
Okay.
So, it's Katrina is my favorite girl too. But,
Okay.